In the heart of the dense, emerald forest stood a towering oak tree, home to a wise old buzzard named Balthazar. Known far and wide for his wisdom, Balthazar was sought by many for advice in times of trouble. One day, a young buzzard named Zephyr sought Balthazar's counsel. Zephyr was brash and impulsive, always acting without thought of the consequences. His reckless behavior had earned him a reputation among the other birds as a troublemaker. Zephyr approached Balthazar, eager to learn the ways of wisdom and maturity. Balthazar agreed, but warned Zephyr that wisdom comes only to those who are willing to learn from their mistakes. Zephyr, feeling confident, ventured out into the forest to test his newfound wisdom. He soon came across a sparkling, clear pond, and without thinking, he swooped down to grab a drink. Suddenly, a trap triggered beneath him, and he found himself ensnared. As Zephyr struggled to free himself, he realized the importance of Balthazar's lesson. He had been too hasty, not thinking of the consequences before acting. He vowed to learn from his mistake and to seek wisdom more diligently. With renewed determination, Zephyr called out to Balthazar for help. Balthazar arrived and helped Zephyr free himself from the trap. He reminded Zephyr that wisdom is a lifelong journey, and that the wise learn from their mistakes. Zephyr returned to Balthazar, humbled and grateful. He continued to seek wisdom, and in time, he became as wise as Balthazar himself. The forest birds soon came to respect Zephyr, and he lived out his days in peace, always grateful for the lesson he had learned. And so it was that Balthazar, the wise old buzzard, passed on his wisdom to the next generation, reminding all who sought his counsel that wisdom comes from learning from our mistakes. Moral * wisdom comes from learning from our mistakes, and humility is the key to growth and understanding.